Did you know that some of the foods most often promoted as healthy could actually be silently damaging your kidneys every single day? And the worst part? You probably snack on them without even realizing it. Today, we're talking about creatinine and the 3 nuts that can raise it, plus the 3 that can help lower it. When your creatinine is high, your kidneys are sending you a quiet, urgent message. Maybe you've never heard the term creatinine before, but this single number can reveal more about your kidney health and even your life expectancy than almost any other lab value. Creatinine is a waste product made by your muscles as they create energy. Normally, your kidneys filter it out. But when those filters start to struggle, creatinine levels climb. And that rise is not just a number, it's a warning sign. According to the CDC, more than 37 million Americans live with chronic kidney disease, and nearly 90% don't even know it. Fatigue, loss of appetite, and rising blood pressure often get mistaken for simple aging. But these are early whispers from your kidneys asking for help. Left unchecked, those whispers fade into silence, and silence can mean irreversible damage. Every day, your kidneys filter about 200 quarts of blood, balancing electrolytes such as potassium, phosphorus, and sodium while removing waste. Creatinine is one of those wastes. When your kidneys slow down, creatinine builds up. Even a mild elevation means your filters are starting to clog. Some foods, especially those high in phosphorus, potassium, or oxalates, make the kidneys work harder. For healthy adults, that's fine. But for someone over 60 with early kidney decline, those extra minerals can raise creatinine, stiffen arteries, and overwork filtration cells. The easiest way to start helping your kidneys is through what you eat. And believe it or not, the snacks you choose, especially nuts, can make a big difference. 3 nuts to limit. Immediately, 1 cashews, the creamy trap. Cashews are rich and creamy and often praised as a heart-smart snack. Many older adults add them to their diets believing they help cholesterol and blood sugar. But cashews are a double-edged sword if your creatinine is high. Just 100 grams of roasted cashews contain over 660 milligrams of phosphorus, nearly 70% of your daily safe limit if you have kidney disease. That excess phosphorus doesn't leave the body easily. It builds up in the blood, causing artery calcification and pushing creatinine higher. Cashews also hold moderate potassium, which can elevate blood pressure and disturb heart rhythm when kidney function is reduced. If you eat cashews daily because they seem healthy, it might be time to rethink that habit. 2. Almonds, the hidden potassium. Load. Almonds are known for vitamin E and antioxidants, but they are extremely high in potassium. A 28-gram serving, about 20 almonds, contains roughly 200 milligrams of potassium. For someone whose kidneys can't clear potassium efficiently, that can lead to hyperkalemia, dangerously high potassium in the blood. Symptoms include fatigue, tingling, muscle weakness, and irregular heartbeat. People with kidney disease are usually advised to keep potassium under 2,000 milligrams per day. Just 100 grams of almonds provide 700 milligrams. Combine that with bananas, avocados, or tomatoes, and you quickly exceed your limit. So while almonds help the heart, they can silently stress the kidneys. 3. Chestnuts, the sweet deceiver. Chestnuts are comforting and mildly sweet, but they are mostly starch. About 80% of their calories are carbohydrates. That quick sugar release spikes blood sugar, forcing the kidneys to work harder to maintain balance. Chestnuts are also rich in oxalates, the compounds that form kidney stones. Just 100 grams of chestnuts can supply nearly the daily upper safe limit of oxalates. Many assume chestnuts are gentle foods, yet easy on the stomach doesn't mean easy on the kidneys. If you have a history of kidney stones or elevated creatinine, avoiding chestnuts is a wise choice. So far, we've seen 3 nuts that may quietly push creatinine higher. cashews, almonds, and chestnuts. They taste great, but overload the kidneys with phosphorus, potassium, and oxalates. Now let's turn to 3 nuts that do the opposite, those that support kidney recovery and help bring creatinine down naturally. 3 nuts to eat when creatinine is high. 1. Flax seeds. The tiny powerhouse flaxseed may look insignificant, yet it contains plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and soluble fiber, a trio your kidneys love. That soluble fiber binds toxins in the intestines and helps remove urea and creatinine before they reach the kidneys. In a 2020 study in the Journal of Renal Failure, participants who consumed 30 grams of flaxseed daily for 12 weeks lowered their blood creatinine by about 18%. For older adults, that's a meaningful improvement. Always grind flaxseed before eating. Whole seeds pass through undigested. 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, sprinkled on oatmeal or mixed with yogurt, is ideal. Drink plenty of water. Fiber works best when hydrated. Used consistently, flaxseed acts like a natural detox partner for your kidneys. 2. Macadamia nuts, the gentle fat. That heals macadamias often seem too rich, but they're loaded with monounsaturated fats, especially omega-7, known for reducing inflammation in kidney tissue. A 2021 Journal of Functional Foods study found that omega-7 lowers inflammatory cytokines that harm filtration cells. Macadamias are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them ideal for kidney-friendly diets. A safe amount is 5 to 7 nuts per day, preferably unsalted. They satisfy hunger, reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks, and protect your kidneys from the strain of excess electrolytes. Avoid eating them right before bed. Heavy fats can slow digestion and disrupt restorative sleep, the time when kidneys repair themselves. 3. Walnuts, nature's omega-3 shield. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that calms inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate walnuts regularly lowered inflammation markers by 32% and improved kidney filtration within 12 weeks. Walnuts also carry polyphenols and tocopherols that strengthen kidney cell membranes, improving filtration and tissue recovery. 4 to 5 walnut halves per day, soaked overnight or lightly toasted, is enough. Avoid bitter or moldy walnuts. They can contain aflatoxins harmful to the liver and kidneys. Simple, consistent intake is what delivers results. Your kidneys work silently, filtering every drop of blood that sustains you. They never ask for attention until they begin to struggle. When creatinine starts to rise, it's not a sentence, it's a signal. It's your body's way of saying, I need support. A few mindful dietary changes can transform that signal into recovery. Avoid nuts that stress the kidneys. Choose the ones that nurture them. And remember, your body is not giving up on you. It's asking you to listen. Whether you're 50, 60, or 80, your cells can still heal when you give them the right environment. Hydration, balanced minerals, and real food. Each small choice today builds a foundation for clearer mornings, steadier energy, and stronger years ahead. If this information helped you, please like the video so others can find it too. Share it with someone you care about, a friend or family member who may be quietly struggling with kidney health. And if you're new here, subscribe to Senior Health Secret. Every week we explore simple, science-based ways to protect your body naturally. Leave a comment below. Which nut surprised you the most? Your story might inspire someone else to take the first step toward healing. I'm Dr. David Kaplowitz, and this is Senior Health Secret, where we turn wisdom into wellness and make your golden years your healthiest yet.